Hey everyone, this is Diva Dane of the Craft Divas. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you one version of an ombre technique. So first you want to make sure that you spray paint your tumbler to the closest colors for your glitter. Then you're going to take your epoxy and cover your complete tumbler. You want to make sure you have a very thin coat of epoxy on your tumbler. Then you want to go and lay out parchment paper for the many colors that you'll be using. So next you want to go in with your darkest color first. And then you're going to go around the edge, the rim or the bottom edge of the tumbler, and then the middle. Then you want to start turning your tumbler at an angle and holding your glitter bottle up high and let the glitter cascade down to the middle or the top of the tumbler. Then the same step, you want to go in with your next color and go around the rim or the edge of that and go around the middle and then turn your tumbler at an angle and let that glitter cascade down. So when you go through your first round, it's not going to be perfect. Also, you want to have another sheet of parchment paper for your dump glitter, because when you have more than one glitter, you do not want to contaminate. So when you're tapping off the glitter, make sure that you have a third or second sheet so that those two colors can mix together. So next you'll see me go back in, and now I'm going to readjust. I want more of the darker color to come down to my lighter color. And then I'm going to go back and take the lighter color and go down to the darker color. So it's just for you to keep going back and forth to your desired look. Also remember, every time that you're going through, tap your mixed colors onto that separate sheet of parchment paper. Once you get your desired look, you let the epoxy sit for 2 to 4 hours, depending on which epoxy that you're using. In this tutorial, I'm using Fast Set, so this will be ready for me to touch in 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Then I take all the glitters, put them back in their containers, and then it's ready to sit and dry. And then if I want to go back in and I still don't like the ombre, I can take hairspray or a sealer and go back in and do my color combination. I hope this tutorial helped. Thank you. Have a good day.